my students. Today, I'm going to teach you the 5 rules of possessives. That's right, it's not just possessive S. So let's get started. Rule number 1 is the possessive S. A possessive S is an apostrophe, like that, and an S. This shows you that something is, well, owning something. Let's look at some examples. This is John, and that's his car. Now, the person that owns the car is John, and the object is the car. Listen to this sentence. John's car was stolen. Now let's look at it. John's car was stolen. You can see that possessive S. That mark there is called an apostrophe. Here's another example. Listen. Can we borrow your dad's grill? Let's look at it. Can we borrow your dad's grill? Do you see that possessive S? This shows that the grill belongs to this dad. Dad is the person that owns the grill, and the object is the grill. Rule number 2 is plural nouns that end in S or a name that ends in S. We only use that apostrophe. That's right, you don't need to use that S at the end. Let's look at some examples. With names, you do need to say that S as if it were there. Let's try these names. Louise's. Do you see there isn't an extra S? Louise's. James's. Lucas's. Iris's. Those names only use that apostrophe. But you have to say the S as if it were there. Look, listen, and then repeat. Louise's, James's, Lucas's, Iris's. But with nouns, you don't say the extra S. Well, you're not supposed to say that extra S. Let's look at some examples. James and Iris's house is in the woods. Notice that we use a possessive apostrophe at the end of Iris and only Iris's name. James and Iris's house is in the woods. So remember, if you use 2 or more names and you want to make it possessive, you only need to use the possessive on the last name. This is the dog's ball. 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 The cat's favorite bed is in the living room. The cat's favorite bed is in the living room. Notice that I didn't say the cat's favorite bed. There are 2 cats, but we say cats. The cat's favorite bed is in the living room. So with names, you use an apostrophe and you say that S, even though it's not there. And with nouns, you don't say that S. Some native speakers, well, they use that extra S in nouns, like guises. That's your guys's car. Guises. But it's wrong. It's just, that's your guy's car. Rule number 3 is for possessive adjectives. You never have to use an apostrophe S with these words. These are the possessive adjectives. Let's look at some examples. My dogs are funny. Your rabbits are cute. Her food was cold. Its fur is soft. Our house is old. Your shoe is untied. Their sofa is comfortable. You never use a possessive S with these possessive adjectives. Rule number 4 is when we're talking about part of a whole thing. Let's look at some examples. Let me try to explain number 4. It's when it's a part or a whole of something. So let's look at a whole class. And if I say a quarter of the students missed the test last Tuesday, that means that only a quarter of them missed it, not the whole class, but a part of the class. The owner of the restaurant bought new tables. Now, this suggests that the restaurant is owned by this person. And this person is the one that bought the tables, because they own the restaurant. And number 5 is the use of. Here are some more uses of how to show possessive using of. If it is made of something, for example, this pillowcase isn't made of silk, or this wallet isn't made of leather. We can't say that the leather is owned by the wallet or the wallet owns the leather, but we can say that it's made of. We can't say that the pillow owns the pillowcase, and we can't say that silk is the owner or the pillowcase is the owner of silk. It's just made of silk. Sometimes you have to use of, and an apostrophe doesn't work. For example, anytime you describe a thought, an idea, a reason, a criticism, a belief, and even a need, you should use of plus the noun. Let's look at some examples. I had the idea of a picnic, not that I had the picnic's idea. No, we couldn't say that, but you had the idea of something. Their criticism of the politician is fair. We can't say it's the politician's criticism because it's their criticism, not the politician's. You'll also find the use of the word of in names or titles. For example, the law of gravity, the Department of Engineering. You'll see that, and that's a possessive as well. And those are the 5 rules of possessives. I hope this video has helped. Check out one of these videos over here, or both, to help you with your grammar. Thank you so much for watching, my students, and until next time, please keep practicing. Bye!